Hi everyone, this is Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. Today I am taking part in the Save Our Earth collab, and the host is Crystal from the Purple Pixie, and her co-host is Melissa Makes It DIY. So let's get right into this. Okay, I have 2 wine bottles that my daughter gave me that she was trying to actually throw away. She said, no, I couldn't have them. She wanted to throw them away. I said, come on, let me do something with them. So I got them. Now I've got some ivy leaves. They are Wally's from, I've had them for years. You can still order them, I think, but these are just ivy leaves. And I'm going to use I'm going to use matte Mod Podge to hook them on there, but I first decide to put some paint over the bottle because I don't want to take those labels off. They're really thick and they didn't want to come off, so I'm going to go ahead and put some white, or it's off-white chalk paint on it first, and then I'm going to hook those leaves on with the Mod Podge, and then I'm going to touch up the paint, and then we'll see what I end up doing after that. Don't forget to go down to my description box. Down there will be Crystal's YouTube channel link, as well as Melissa's, and the playlist will also be down there. So don't forget to check those out. Also, if you'll hit the subscribe button, that helps my channel out tremendously, as well as hit the notification bell, hit it twice, click on all, you'll get notified. You should get notified for every upload that I do, as well as give me a big thumbs up and comments. I love to read them. So now, as you can see, I've got those all painted, and once the paint dries, I will start on the leaves, and I'm just using my Darcy heat gun to get them all dry. Okay, now I'm going to Mod Podge the leaves onto the glasses, or to the wine bottles. And while I'm doing that, I just wanted to tell you a little bit more about this collab. It is about saving the earth, using up things that you would normally throw away. I save most jars, I save cans, I'll even save tinfoil, pie tins, you name it, anything that I can see some value in it. I've got some old beer bottles, some old Coke bottles, these wine bottles that my daughter drank the wine out of, all these different things that we throw away. I keep cardboard, because you can make a lot of things with cardboard. So sometimes if you just look at things in a different light, you will see that they still have value, and that you can still use them for different things that you would never have thought of before. So that's what this collaboration is all about, is using the things that you normally throw away and they end up in the landfill. And so I just think this is an amazing collaboration, and I think it's an amazing thing that we can do. We can take something that's garbage and turn it into something that is beautiful, that's useful, that's just amazing. So, all right. As I get finished with this, I'm going over the leaves. They're too stark. That's the word. So I'm just going over them. You can still see them. And then what I'm going to do is grab my Waverly fern and dry brush it. So it will pick up some of the green, but it won't be so, oh, look at me, I'm green. So after I get done with that, this paint here, and this is Folk Art, I think it's cream. I can't remember. I need to start writing down the names because I film in my craft room downstairs and then I do my voiceovers upstairs, and I always forget to write the stuff down. So as I'm finishing this up, like I said, then I'm going to dry brush the fern on it. Okay, here I am now finishing up this, the dry brushing. Also, I wanted to tell you, I have started a new channel. It's called All Things Connie, and the link will also be in the description box below. That new channel is for everything not DIYs, is pretty much. I do a lot of different things. I'm a woodworker. I sew. I cook. I paint on canvases and other things. I also paint on my nails after I've done them. So check that channel out. I hope you guys like it. And by the way, if I did not say welcome to my channel, if you are new, I am so glad you're here, and I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe. And if you are already a subscriber, hey, I am so glad you're here, and I hope you are enjoying this. Now, what I've done is I've taken the gold pitberry and just cut it in 3 sections, and I'm just wrapping it around the neck of this jar, or this wine bottle, and then I am calling it good. I love this. It is so shabby, chic, beautiful, just oomph. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. I just really like it. I think they turned out extremely beautiful. I hope you guys really like this video. Remember, trash is actually treasures. Also, don't forget to call somebody and tell them you love them. And you guys all have an amazing, blessed day. Don't forget to be the Bible that somebody reads today. Bye-bye.